Great to have you on the show. Let's talk about the equities market performance today, Emmanuel, and certainly the drivers for last week and the drivers that we could see this week.
Yes, we actually saw the index going down a bit as a result of 21 cities personal loss in Talo, Oyo. That's been a bit active about the last 2-3 weeks. Same as UT Bank, which also lost Peswa. On the winning side, we saw Car Bank and Mechanical Lloyd all gaining a Peswa each. Total value traded today was about 100,000 Ghana cedis, a chunk of which came from Mechanical Lloyd, trading in a distribution company, with a current price earning ratio of 2x, and we have the dividend yield to be 6%.
Well, let me talk to you about some news coming out of Ghana's market today. Suddenly we're hearing that 53 million being inserted into your fisheries. And I'd love to know, how much impact, or if any impact, is it going to have on your agricultural sector over in the Ghana markets?
Yes, this will definitely have a very good impact on our grain sector, as we actually reduce our import bill significantly from what it is now, and this will actually have a positive impact on the exchange rate as well.
Well, let's talk about the table auction. We know you had a table auction on Friday. What were the results of that auction, Emmanuel?
Yes, at the end of the auction, the rate for the 91-day bill was at 22.7%. In discount terms, that's 21.8%. We've actually seen the bill quite stable in recent times, and this is expected to be the same as we get closer to the election year, and probably even come down a bit.
Well, Emmanuel, we're expecting the Bank of Ghana to come out with the MPC decision actually next week on the 12th. Now, it begins its meeting today with the rate decision announcement expected on the 12th of September. What are your expectations for that?
I'll be a bit surprised if the rate should go up from the current 14.5%. Consider the fact that the exchange rate has been quite stable for about 3 to 4 weeks now. And also consider the fact that the recent 5-year bond was heavily oversubscribed, and we have quite a chunk of funds coming through. So this will actually see the exchange rate being stable and even appreciate a bit more against its main foreign trading currencies.
Well, give us an update on the cedi, Emmanuel. What's happening? We know the cedi actually is doing well. It gained against the dollar. So give us an update on how the Ghana cedi is doing right now.
Yes, at the close of today's session, we saw the cedi hovering about 1.92 to the US dollar. This is actually a very good sign, as the recent losses of about 18% was worried to most industry players, which made their cost of operations quite high. And this I think wouldn't go west from what we've seen so far.
Now, Emmanuel, we're also expecting the inflation numbers out on Wednesday, and certainly there's a lot of discussion how the impact this will have on the performance of Ghana's markets and, of course, your cedi as well. Now, what are your thoughts on what we will see?
Yes, even though the figure is almost in the double-digit range, I doubt whether it will actually advance a bit more, because we've also had the government coming out clearly, especially the president, taxing the central bank and all related agencies to make sure that they arrest the situation so that we don't see it further rising to have a negative impact on productivity.
Well, Emmanuel, give me your outlook then for the market as we go into this week. Certainly here in Nigeria, the outlook has changed slightly. We're looking at a continued rally on our markets. What is your outlook for Ghana then?
Yes, investor interest still remains in Guinea's Ghana, same as Car Bank Ghana Oil. We should also see a bit of transactions going through in Ecobank International Incorporated.
Well, thank you so much, Emmanuel. That was Emmanuel Tsigbey. Unfortunately, the line was a bit unclear there. He's a stockbroker at New World Renaissance.